Project Open Up Your Strength. Client Fitness Club for Men, FOREMANN. Aim to attract new clients. Idea: how can we make a man go to the gym? We just need to show that he's not strong enough to help a woman. Realization: before the beginning of the campaign, we glued the covers to the jars with pickled cucumbers, so that men won't be able to open them. For the sake of credibility, the girls who asked for help were pregnant.
Молодой человек, вы можете помочь открыть банку? Я просто очень хочу солененького. Прям приспичило. Это был маленький эксперимент от фитнес-центра Formann. Это пригласительно на бесплатное посещение тренажерного зала. Приходите обязательно и набирайтесь новых сил, открывайте новые банки.
So each man, after getting confused in front of the girl, received an invitation to visit FOREMANN gym. Outcome: each third man who received an invitation took advantage of the offer and visited FOREMANN gym for free. The attendance of FOREMANN gym increased by 30%. The client decided to repeat action for other fitness club in other city.